Hi, I'm Adam. I use skateboarding as a tool for my journey with sobriety. I've been skateboarding again for about a year after a 15-year hiatus. Recently, I've been working on frontside axle stalls and turning them into frontside axle grinds. Here I'm warming up with some frontside slashers just to get me comfortable. I love reading your comments, and specifically I was reading yesterday and I got some very helpful tips. So apparently you want to be in more of a seated position, much like sitting on a toilet. This is scary at first, but a lot of fun to try. After a few attempts approaching the trick, I realized I didn't really know how to come off the trick. Sometimes learning the trick in reverse, or knowing how to roll away from the trick, is just as important as getting into the position itself. I didn't know what else to do, so I'm holding onto the handrail for dear life, leaning back into a squatty position, and we're just gonna go for it. Alright, let's try a couple more for good measure. This time, without holding onto the handrail. There it is. These were a lot of fun. Oops, almost ran out of ramp there. Alright, back to my approach. I find it helpful to pick a spot on the coping and aim for that same spot each time. Still having to touch the handrail just a bit. Let's give it a couple more tries. There it is. That's my first one. And 3 to set you free. Once again, guys, I'm Adam, and as always, thank you so much for your support just by watching. This is Barbecue. He wants you to subscribe and comment down below what you're working on, what's going on in life, and thanks for checking out the channel.